Mount Kenya, a majestic African icon. Mount Kenya, standing at an impressive 5,199 meters, is the highest mountain in Kenya and the second highest in Africa after Kilimanjaro. This majestic volcanic mountain, located in the central region of the country, is not only a geographical marvel, but also an ecological treasure and a cultural symbol for the Kenyan people. Its diverse ecosystems, rich biodiversity, and cultural significance make it a captivating subject of study and exploration. Mount Kenya is a stratovolcano that was formed over 3 million years ago. It originally rose to about 7,000 meters before extensive erosion diminished its height. The mountain is made up of several distinct peaks, with the highest being Batian Peak. The geological composition includes volcanic rock, which gives the mountain its rugged and unique appearance. The last volcanic activity on Mount Kenya occurred approximately 2.5 million years ago, and since then, glacial and erosional forces have shaped its current form. The presence of glaciers on the mountain, particularly on the peaks, is a testament to its geological history and climatic changes over millennia. Mount Kenya is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site due to its unique ecological zones, ranging from dense forests at lower altitudes to alpine meadows and glaciers at the summit. The lower slopes of Mount Kenya are covered by lush montane forests, which are rich in biodiversity. These forests are home to various species of trees, including cedar, fir, and bamboo. The forest ecosystem supports numerous animal species, including elephants, buffaloes, and various primates. Birdwatchers flock to the region to spot the diverse avian population, which includes the endangered Mount Kenya white-eye and the African crowned eagle. As one ascends the mountain, the forests give way to moorlands characterized by heather and giant lobelia. This unique vegetation is adapted to the harsh conditions of the high-altitude environment. The moorland is home to a variety of wildlife, including the elusive bushbuck and various species of rodents. At higher elevations, the alpine zone features rocky landscapes, glacial remnants, and unique plants adapted to extreme conditions. The presence of glaciers and permanent snowfields near the summit is a striking feature of Mount Kenya, although they have been receding due to climate change. The climate on Mount Kenya varies significantly with altitude. The lower slopes experience a humid, tropical climate, while the higher elevations are characterized by cooler temperatures and more severe weather conditions. Rainfall is abundant in the lower regions, contributing to the lush vegetation, while the upper regions receive snowfall and experience freezing temperatures. The unique climatic conditions of Mount Kenya contribute to its ecological diversity, allowing for a wide range of habitats and species to thrive. However, these conditions are also sensitive to climate change, impacting the glaciers and biodiversity of the region. Mount Kenya holds immense cultural and spiritual significance for the Kikuyu people, the largest ethnic group in Kenya. They regard the mountain as a sacred entity and believe it to be the dwelling place of their god, Geojay. The Kikuyu have numerous myths and legends associated with the mountain, which play an essential role in their cultural identity. The mountain has historically been a site for various rituals and ceremonies among the Kikuyu. Initiation ceremonies, prayers for rain, and other rites of passage often take place on its slopes. The Kikuyu community views the mountain not only as a source of water and resources, but also as a spiritual symbol that connects them to their ancestors and their land. In contemporary times, Mount Kenya continues to be a symbol of national pride for Kenyans. It features prominently in literature, art, and music, reflecting the deep connection between the mountain and the people of Kenya. The mountain's prominence on the national flag and its representation in various cultural narratives highlight its significance in Kenya's identity. Mount Kenya is a major tourist destination, attracting outdoor enthusiasts and adventure seekers from around the globe. The mountain offers a range of trekking routes, varying in difficulty and length, making it accessible to both novice hikers and experienced mountaineers. The most popular trekking routes on Mount Kenya include Maranga Route, known as the Coca-Cola Route. It is the easiest and most popular path. It offers hut accommodation and is suitable for beginners. The trek typically takes about 5 to 6 days. Kogoria Route. This route is considered one of the most scenic, passing through beautiful landscapes, including waterfalls and unique flora. It is less crowded and offers a more immersive experience of the mountain's natural beauty. Siraman Route. This route is ideal for those seeking a more remote experience. It offers stunning views and diverse ecosystems, making it popular among seasoned trekkers. Naro Moru Route, known for its steep ascent and challenging terrain, this route is favoured by experienced climbers. It typically takes around 5 to 6 days to summit. In addition to trekking, Mount Kenya is a hub for ecotourism, providing opportunities for wildlife viewing, bird watching, and photography. Guided tours and nature walks allow visitors to explore the rich biodiversity of the region while contributing to conservation efforts. Mount Kenya is a magnificent symbol of natural beauty, ecological diversity, and cultural heritage. Its towering peaks, rich ecosystems, and profound significance to the Kikuyu people make it a unique and invaluable part of Kenya's landscape. As the world faces increasing environmental challenges, the preservation of Mount Kenya is paramount not only for its ecological health, but also for the cultural identity and livelihoods of the communities that depend on it. The mountain stands as a reminder of the intricate relationship between nature and humanity, urging us to protect and cherish our natural wonders. Through sustainable practices and a commitment to conservation, we can ensure that Mount Kenya continues to inspire awe and reverence for generations to come.